Are you an MBA graduate looking to boost your market readiness and confidence? Here are some key steps to consider. First, gain practical experience. Seek internship or part-time positions during your MBA program to gain real-world experience. Second, invest in continuous learning. Never stop learning. Attend workshops, seminars, and online courses relevant to your field. Third, build a strong network. Connect with professionals in your industry. Attend events, join organizations, and reach out to alumni for mentorship and job opportunities. Fourth, hone soft skills. Work on improving essential soft skills like communication, leadership, and teamwork. Fifth, obtain relevant certifications. Depending on your field, consider earning certifications to strengthen your qualifications.